or you've been stressed out. You know what's gonna happen if you're stressed out? You might end up grinding your teeth at night. Is that good for you? No! So if you are having teeth grinding habits, like clenching the teeth at night, then that's a big no to your teeth. Go to the dentist and get a night guard. So muscle relaxants or any other medication that would suit you. But always go for a night guard and try to relax and sleep peacefully without grinding your teeth. Come on, you're not gonna go fight with anybody in your sleep. If you want to know more such information, then
Follow me for more.